Refillable dental floss. That's what we're talking about today from a brand called Before. This is a Vancouver brand. They actually have some amazing toothpaste, which is inspiring my outfit today because they use a super mint formulation. They have their classic, their sensitive, and their whitening mint toothpaste. And they've expanded into some other parts of that kind of ritual, which is the dental floss, as I mentioned. So I have this bamboo refillable floss container here, the plant-based PLA thread, and it's coated in plant-based candelilla wax. Super kind of silky floss as well, so it is a very smooth, easy to use floss. It's also coated with mint as well, so it tastes good. You can also get the refills. So this comes with 2 of the spools, so you can keep those on hand. One side of this is for opening it for when you're gonna floss, but then the other side, which is very discreet, I didn't even know it was there almost, is where you put in the refill, and it comes kind of packaged so that it's all hygienic. Get the floss ready, and away you go. So you can find Before at MASC in Vancouver, or check it out at shopmask.com.